some of you might be wondering what's going on. Well, what happened was during my lunch period at school, I took out my sandwich and one of the teachers exclaimed, "Wow, what is that?" Usual Japanese fashion. And I told her that I'm eating plantains. Now, most Japanese people don't know what are plantains. And so I had a box at home, and so I decided to do a little impromptu cooking video to like as a form of cultural exchange. So I showed them how to make green and ripe plantain, and let's just say they enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video as well.
Okay.
My impromptu lunchtime. Well, my lunchtime turned into an impromptu cooking session. So today we have plantains.
Plantains.
Yes. So green plantain and ripe plantain. So it's from the banana family. Yes. So I'll show you how to cook both ripe and green. First, we'll start with ripe.
Okay.
So you have to cut like this, and then I do this way. I'll show you two ways. I cut two ways. You can do it like this, or you can cut this way, like make it shorter. So you can cut this way. So this is for ripe, and then you have to turn on the stove.
So first I get the pot and I make sure that it's a little hot before I add the oil to it, and then I don't measure. I just pour along until I hear a voice say, "Pour no more, my child."
So I cut same like this, but this time this. More difficult. You have to be careful because you want to save skin. First, test. It's okay. I use my hand. You have to be very careful because the oil is hot. So it burns very easily. So you have to watch very carefully. On this side too. Because this is usually you have to let it stay like this, but because it's many people, I will cut into. So it's easier to fry.
確かに茹でてもあんま美味しくない。サクッてこうね。甘みのマスター。
You have to be careful. It will burn very easily. So now, both sides. Oops. Both sides. Okay. So this is ripe plantain. Now for the green plantain. So you don't throw away this. You keep this. For the ripe plantain, you throw away. For this, you keep. Why? I will show you. Now you can turn on a little little more. Sorry.
グリーンはでかい。
Green.
ね、こっちの硬いのにね、かっこいいかね。
You can make smaller, but it's easier this way.
あ
So you need to fry some more on this side. Brown on both sides.
わかんない。
So check. So I'll give you an example. For example, you take this and you put it here,
え、
and then
怖い。潰してどうすんの？潰して。
this,
う
and then
ん。
flat like this.
なるほど。深いく。
ああ、アンダースタン
Here. So it looks like this.
魚の煮物みたいな。開きみたいな。開きみたいな。楽しみだね。
Where can you buy this?
In Japan, on the internet,
あ
you have to order. So there's a ship from Ecuador. Do you know Ecuador? They ship. They ship from Ecuador to Japan.
船便で一箱頼む。ジャパンからサンドリー。
Yeah.
サンドリー。
Yes, Jamaica. There's many plantains in Jamaica.
すごいね。
Finish. Ripe salt.
そう。
Ripe plantain. No. Green. Yes, because it's sweet.
あ、なるほど。
Green plantain. Yes. So you don't want to add a lot.
そんな
Just you sprinkle.
あ、美味しそうだね。
結構かける。
Just a little.
ちょっと待って。いやー、これなんか見たくなりそうな。
So you can this you can eat with meat,
あ、ミー。
like with sauce. This you can eat by itself or in sandwich. Any sandwich. So in Jamaica, we eat this in the morning, breakfast, breakfast time, or for dinner, rice, and peas, chicken, vegetables, plantain.
へえ。チキンベジタブルブラン
Yes.
朝は結構じゃあこれで。
デザート的な。
And you can boil this, and you can boil this too. You eat with dumpling. Dumpling. I have to show you how to make a dumpling.
ダブルがわかんないけど。
I have to show you how to make it
あ
another time.
また今度ね。
You eat with
Next time,
dumpling.
Yes.
Dumpling, chicken, and something.
イエーイ。
いやさ、もうみんな食べてんだろうなと思って。あ、そっか。終わったわ。こっちの方がちょっと。なんかちょっと。なんかグリーンバナナって色がしてから、味付けも違くて切り方が違くて面白い。
Banana. Plantain.
すごい。一ついただいていいですか？
You make a sandwich.
サンドイッチ。
これ食べてみていい？
Right, we use a ripe plantain to make a sandwich. So bread,
とかに挟んで食べたりするといいんだよ。
a lettuce.
こんな感じでね。
Sorry, tomato. Tomato. Bacon.
美味しそう美味しそう。
ベーコン、うなぎ、アンダナゴ。
So you put together
す
to
ごい。
make the sandwich.
やっぱり料理の本出してるからね。
やってみてください。
しょっぱい。おお。私グリーン食べてみたいな。
こちらでなんか
甘いしない？
これはさ、
もう早い
主食になる。
やっぱり芋っぽいからね。
ホクホクするじゃない？
半分で。
あ、美味しい美味しい。美味しいわ。やっぱり出来たてで美味しい。
And the green plantain is not sweet. Taste is different.
スイートポテトみたい。